Welcome back to my channel, My Life's Journey Vlog. For today's vlog, I will take you to a cool getaway within your reach. It is a rewarding, educational, and fun place to spend with family. The place is located at Binakayan, Kawit, Cavite, and it's only 15 minutes away from Mall of Asia. And now, we are here at our destination at Island Cove Hotel and Leisure Park. Island Cove is a perfect getaway from the metro madness that one have us drive so far to enjoy a lovely escape from our regular green as a family. This Filipino-themed restaurant offers guests a unique experience in dining. Guests can go fishing and might have their catch cooked or can order Filipino favorites from the menu, including dishes that are unique to Cavite. Top recommendations are the Pinoy Budal Fish and the Lechon sa Buho. For schoolers, the zoo and the Animal Wildlife Sanctuary experience is one of the things that turn books to reality. The place is equipped with sanitized mats that help maintain hygiene and protection of the farms. The 350 square meter kid-friendly splash park was added to Oceana Water Park. Splashers and sprayers were eye candy to kids for sure. The main pool of the Oceana Swim and Splash Park retained the 4 giant slides and giant inflatables. The whole water complex spans over 3,000 square meters and their splash park is the biggest in Mega Manila. Island Cove has 86 hotel rooms, 14 two-bedroom duplex cabanas, which can accommodate 4 to 6 persons each, 3 single detached two-bedroom cabanas, and 2 dormitories for 16 to 20 persons. The hotel complex has a jacuzzi and a full exclusive to check-in guests. Also, it has 2 main ballrooms that can fit between 300 to 500 people, 10 air-conditioned function and meeting rooms, various non-air-conditioned pavilions, and function areas. Island Cove is capable of catering and organizing events for as many as 14,000 persons. Other outdoor facilities that Island Cove has includes a basketball court, a tennis court, a 1.4-kilometer jogging path, several playgrounds for children, and biking areas. Bikes are available for rent. Adventure Zone has one of the largest paintball arenas in the country and an airsoft game site. They have also a concert park where they hold concerts every so often. The fishing village is facing Manila Bay and has 21 huts on bamboo stilts with spectacular views of the Manila and Makati skylines. We thoroughly enjoyed going around Island Cove. I must admit, though, that a whole day will not suffice to max out all the fun we can master in this enormous 36-hectare island. It was priceless and definitely something that we are looking forward to do so all over again. Thank you for watching this video and for your continued support to my channel.